Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
So we'll take a flat blade tool, a screwdriver or a trim tool, pry right in there, and pull this lens off. Bulb is right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna push the bulb in, push it down, and then you're gonna twist it. And when you twist it, then you can pull it up. You can twist it to the right or twist it to the left. This bulb is a 12 volt 8 watt -J bulb. So to reinstall the bulb, we're gonna slide these two tabs on the side like that. We'll push it down, we twist it to the right until it lines up with the slot right there. We can test it to make sure it works. So that's good. Now we can reinstall the cover. We're gonna slide the cover in this way and then snap it right in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.